In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to download and install LibreOffice on your Windows 11 computer. First, open any web browser, and in the search bar, type LibreOffice download and press enter. Now, click on the official website link, which is LibreOffice.org. Once you're on the homepage, click on the Download Now button. The download will begin shortly. Depending on your internet speed, it may take a few minutes to finish. Once it's downloaded, go to your Downloads folder and double-click on the LibreOffice installer file. The installation wizard will now open. Click Next, then choose the typical setup and click Next again. Finally, click Install to begin the installation process. Once it's done, click Finish to complete the setup. Now you can find LibreOffice in your Start menu. Open it up and you're ready to start creating documents, spreadsheets, presentations, and more, all completely free. And that's it, you've successfully installed LibreOffice on Windows 11. If you found this video helpful, please consider giving it a like and subscribing for more simple tech tutorials. Thanks for watching.